And there's Nick.
This is for Nick. Can you take this?
Oh, look. Can you open that? Bring that over for Nick to open, Riley. Can you help him open it? Oh, what is it? What is it? Is it a toy for Nick?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. It's a book, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, show it to Nick.
Show Nick, Riley. Show Nick the book.
I think that book can go in the bathtub. Pretty cool, huh? Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Can you show Grandma the Jack Elmo in the box?
Yeah.
Okay, show her.
Here you go.
Show her how it works. Show Nick how it works.
Can you turn it?
No.